The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Tacoma Short Bed, and we've just installed the Retrax Polycarbonate XR bed cover. So the XR means that it has tracks on the rails. So these are great for adding additional racks and accessories to a bed cover. So not all bed covers work with racks, and not all racks work with bed covers. So this one allows you to choose from a decent selection, an ever-growing selection of racks. So the polycarbonate, that's the actual cover itself. So the standard model or the Pro model is aluminum, and this is a polycarbonate. Operations are the same as the aluminum version. You've got your weather cover here. You've got your release button and lock, so you can actually, with your key, lock it up and press that button to release the handle, and then you can go ahead and push it open. And then you can actually, anywhere along the length of the bed, go ahead and close that and lock it up, and it'll stay put. So if you need something sticking out of the bed like so, there we go, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can open it up all the way. There we go. And now you have access to your bed. Operation on the tailgate remains the same whether the cover is open or closed. You can see the canister rests on the wheel well cut out there, and you've got two drain hoses that run down into the bed. So you will have to enlarge the two of the drain holes in the bed. So you will have to drill that part out. Other than that, it mounts directly to the factory Utilitrack with the supplied hardware. So a great option to keep your contents of your bed secure and out of the elements. And again, with the XR track, you can mount all sorts of different, well, not all sorts, I guess, but a wide variety of different racks and accessories. For instance, Yakima and Leitner are some of the main ones that have excellent rack systems for this, as far as something cab height. Bed height, Rhino Rack, Yakima, even Thule have crossbars that'll work with it. So there you go. Just a quick kind of walk around and show you how it works video. But for more details, pricing, availability, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you to our website where you can check out that cover in detail. So that's about it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.